fibromyalgia, lower back pain, multiple joint pain, abdominal distension, and flatulence. These all conditions can be managed by a Basti, and its name is Iran Muladi Basti. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Sonika Nadda, and the topic of the day is Iran Muladi Basti. In today's class, we are going to learn what are the ingredients of this particular basti, what are the ingredients of kalka and kuatha, and how much quantity we have to take to prepare this basti, and what are the conditions and benefit of this particular basti. Before going toward the screen, I would like to share my experience with this basti. This is really very effective in acute intervertebral disc prolapse. This basti can be used in sciatica. This basti can be used in multiple joint pain also. I have experienced the result of this basti even in rheumatoid arthritis, but before introducing this basti, virechin was planned. It was a nitya virechin for 21 days. Then Iran Muladi basti was used. Gomutra was used in just 20 ml according to the patient's ability to hold it in. Okay, so that was really very good experience, and I have one more experience with this particular basti in acute intervertebral disc prolapse. The age of patient was 25 years, and she was really in too much pain. She was not able to do her day routine work. She was advised for the surgery, but she was not willing for the surgery. So she just thought to go for this kind of therapies, to go for the Panchkarma therapies. For her, I started treatment with the Katibasti and Matravasti, which was very basic with some internal medications. She felt little better within 3-4 days, but after fourth day, it really aggravated. It was such a severe in intensity. The pain was really very bad for her. She could not handle it without any analgesics. She took analgesics for 2-3 days. Then I changed the treatment. The treatment was shifted to the Iran Muladi Basti, and 6 Iran Muladi Basti was introduced, and 10 was given Vasan Basti. And Vasan Basti's quantity was 100 ml, and it was combination of Sahajradi Telam and Dhanvantaram Telam, equal quantity. Even Chatahava Churnam also used in in that particular 4 grams Chatahava Churnam was used. And after 16 days, she really felt 80% better with her discomfort and pain. We continued Katibasti and Patrapind Sweden for the 21 days. She really felt better, and now she's all right. So this was my personal experience, which I just remembered now, and I thought just to share with you all. So that is the power of this basti. If you really plan it well, make it well, and choose the ingredients according to shastras, and understanding the present condition, present prakriti and capability of the patient. Okay, so let's move toward the screen and understand what are the conditions where we can use this basti, and what are the ingredients. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is Iran Muladi basti. The reference of this basti is Charak Siddhi Sthan, 3rd chapter, 38 to 42 shloka. You can note it down. Okay, note it down. The reference of Iran Muladi basti is Charak Siddhi Sthan, 3rd chapter, 38 to 42 shlokas. Okay, now let's understand its uses. The main action of this Iran Muladi basti is Lekhanam and Deepnam. Main is action, and its benefits and indications is: number 1, it really enhance appetite and improve digestion. Point number 2, it relieve pain in legs, in thighs, foot and lower back. It cure distension and flatulence. It really initiate Vata balancing, because Shula is the main symptom of Vata and it really starts facilitating the Vata balancing process. It cure chronic intestinal disorders also, but in that condition we have to choose little different ingredients. In that condition, Gomutra is not advised, and instead of the Murchitil Tela, we can use Changeri Ghrit. Okay, so in intestinal disorder, in IBS, we can use this pasti. So another condition is in sciatica, it is useful. In chronic constipation, this pasti can be used. In Gulma, Ashmari, Vata Kapha disease, and peripheral vascular disease, this basti is really beneficial. Peripheral vascular disorders are the conditions where really arteries really get narrowed and you can see the difference with this treatment. Okay, so it is clear for everyone. The benefits of this basti is it enhance appetite and improve digestion, relieve pain in both the lower limbs, your lower back, foot, cure distension and flatulence. It initiate vata balancing. It is indicated in the vata kapha heart disease, cure chronic intestinal disorders, effective in sciatica, gulma and ashmari, and peripheral vascular disorder. So see, हमने पहली क्लास में ऑलरेडी हमने ये डिस्कस ऑलरेडी हमने करा हुआ है कि क्या सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमें चाहिए एक निरुववस्थी बनाने के लिए, राइट. हमने पढ़ा है माक्षिकम लवणम स्नेहम कलकम क्वाथम इति क्रमात्, मीन्स हमें ये द्रव्य इस तरह से मिक्स करने हैं. सबसे पहले माक्षिक लेना है, फिर लवण लेना है, फिर स्नेह लेना है, कल क्वाथ अब आपने यूज करना है. हम ऑलरेडी इसको निरुववस्थी प्रिपरेशन की क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं और समझ चुके हैं. सो वही मेथड जो है वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इट हियर. ओके, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक मार्कशीट. बट यहाँ पे समझने वाली क्या बात है कि कितना क्वांटिटी में लेना है आपको. जब एरन मूलादी बस्ती बनानी है, यू हैव टू टेक मार्कशिकम 200 ml, then add lavanam 15 gram, then sneha murchit tila taila. I have written here murchit tila taila. If you don't understand, if you don't get any idea or understanding, just use murchit tila taila. But if the condition is sciatica, you can use sahjaradi telam. Okay, and if the condition is degenerative, you can go for the kshirbala telam, and even you can choose the thick ghritam also in some quantity. Okay, so kalka 30 gram, kwatha 600 ml, and gomutra is 75 ml. See, gomutra is a one ingredient, dravya is here, but it's not important. You have to add it. You have to understand the capability of the patient. If patient is well able to tolerate it, you can introduce, or you can just decrease the quantity also. If patient is not able to handle it, even you can skip the gomutra, or you can, if you want to give little brahmana effect, you can add 75 ml Godugdha also. So that is the addition, that is according to your understanding of the condition, according to underlying doshas. So that you can do with Gomutra. But all the other ingredients has to be same. Name can be changed according to condition. So this was the basic blueprint of this particular Erand Muladi Basti. Basic blueprint is Makshikam, Lavanam, Sneham, Kalkam, Kwatham and Gomutra. The quantity is important: 200 ml, 15 gram, 200 ml, 30 gram and 600 ml and 75 ml. Okay, so this much is clear for everyone. If it is clear, then write down in the comment box it is clear. Okay, let me know. So then now we have to move into next section, that is what are the ingredients for Kwatha and what are the ingredients for Kalka. For Kalk, total 30 gram we have to take, but to make it 30 gram we have to choose many drugs, and each drug will be 5 gram. Okay, you have to take Mustak 5 gram, Priyangu 5 gram, Vacha 5 gram, Shatahava 5 gram, Hapusha 5 gram, Yasti Madhu 5 gram and Pipali 5 ग्राम. इन सभी द्रव्यों को लेके 5-5 ग्राम में लेके अच्छे से इसको पाउडर करके यू हैव टू मेक इट्स प्रॉपर पेस्ट in the kalka form. Okay, so now your kalka is ready, then you have to prepare Kshaya Dravya. In Kshaya Dravya, Iranmulam should be 144 gram, Devadaru 48 gram, Punarnava 48 gram, Laghu Panchamulam. In Laghu Panchamulam, each dravya you have to take, that is 48 gram, Rasna 48 gram, Bala 48 gram, Guruchi 48 gram, Ashwagandha 48 gram, Aragvada 48 gram and Madan Phala 48 gram. So these are the dravya you have to remember. Okay, you should know what are the dravyas by which you have to prepare the kashayam for Iranmuladi Basti. So you have to make kwatha of these dravyas according to your classical preparation, and that kwatha will go into the main preparation. Okay, so this was the ingredients. So in today's class we have learned Iranmuladi Basti's importance and what are the indications, what are the benefit of this basti. The main action in the body is lekhnam and deepnam, and the basic ingredients and how to prepare it. Okay, so let me know what are the takeaway from this class. Write down in the comment box, and in next class I'm going to discuss about the Lekhana Basti, which is really very effective in obesity and hyperlipidemia condition. Okay, so see you and thank you. I really appreciate your attention. Bye bye.